Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix input lag for Faceit. So the first thing what I suggest to do here, if you're experiencing input lag, I suggest you to just completely uninstall Faceit, and it will be the first step. Faceit anti-cheat and Faceit itself, Faceit app itself. Then once you installed again, you need to go to view and network connections. Then you need to look for your internet connection, and then you need to go to properties, make sure that NDS sample lightweight filter is enabled. It's Faceit filter, so sometimes you're getting input lag because this filter is not enabled. Okay, so this is the first step. Make sure it's enabled. Then you need to go on search and look for event viewer here. Then you need to look for Windows logs. Then you need to go to system. And on system, expand this option here and look for error like this. And look if this error is from Faceit. If you're getting these errors here, probably your basically virus protection software is blocking some things. And to fix this problem, what you need to do here, you need to go on start. You need to go to Windows security. On Windows security, you need to go to virus and threat protection. And virus and threat protection, you should see virus threat protection settings. Select manage. Or no, not this one. Wait a sec. Yeah, it was this one. I misclicked. And then you just need to go to control folder access and manage control folder access. Make sure this option is enabled here. Then select allow an app through control folder access here. Add allowed app, and then select browse apps here. And then what you need to do here is to go to on search, look for Faceit AC, right click on it, open file location, right click again, open file location as well, and then copy the path here, and then here paste that particular path, and then you need to add Faceit services exe, and also you need to add Faceit client exe here. Okay. And then Windows should not block any Faceit tasks. Another thing that you need to do here, you need to on search write run or press Windows and key. Then you need to write msconfig. Then go to services here. Make sure to hide all Microsoft services. And then look for Faceit service here and make sure Faceit service is enabled here and apply and OK. But the main reason is you need to completely fully uninstall Faceit and then reinstall it. Do these steps, and after you complete these steps, you should not be getting input lag. If you are, of course, internet good. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.